Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Vivitar Instaprint digital camera that is not working. I'll be going over some easy fixes in this very simplistic tutorial. As you can see, this is the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera, and these are 5 easy fixes that you can try out, and hopefully they will fix your camera if it's not working. Now, when I say not working, I'm sort of covering all of the aspects that can cause it to not work. Maybe it's not turning on, maybe it's not taking pictures, maybe it's not printing pictures. These 5 things will sort of cover all of those bases, so they're worth trying out because they're very sort of general fixes, but they're quite effective in the sense that they have a good chance at actually working. So give them a try and hopefully they work for you. All right, without further ado, starting off with number one. Number one is charge the battery. If your camera is not working, if it's malfunctioning for whatever reason, maybe the battery is not charged at all, or maybe it's not charged enough. So literally charge the battery. Plug it in and charge the battery for like half an hour. See if that solves the problem. Simple as that. Moving on to number two. Number two, hold down the power button. So maybe, your camera's not turning on, it's not working properly. And basically by holding down the power button, you're going to actually try and get it to turn on. And you want to press it decently firmly. I don't mean mash it down. No, you're not trying to do that. But maybe there's like some gunk built up in there. So give it a decent amount of pressure when you push it and hold it down for a few seconds and see if that works. So hold down the power button decently firmly for a few seconds and see if that solves your problem and gets it to work once again. Anyways, so simple as that. Moving on to number three. Number three, see if the thermal paper is jammed. Down here, where it prints out, there's some thermal paper, and if your thermal paper is jammed, obviously it's gonna be a potential cause of like the camera not working in terms of it not printing. So see if the thermal paper is jammed. If it's jammed up, obviously it might struggle with the printing process. So yeah, take a look at the thermal paper, see if it's jammed. If you want, just open the compartment, remove the thermal paper, and put it back in properly once again, just to sort of see if that helps the problem. Give that a try. Moving on to number four. Number four is remove and reinsert the memory card. Now this is a long shot and it's unlikely to be the thing that causes your camera to start working again, but it might work, so I figured I'd include it. Here's the memory card over there. You just want to remove and reinsert it. So very simply, just remove the memory card. Very simple, just simple as that, and then reinsert it in the proper direction and orientation. Just as simple as that. It's back in there, and hopefully that solves your problem. It's probably the least likely to work, but it might work, so it's worth a try. Last but not least is number five. Number five is turn it off and back on again. If you're experiencing, difficulties and it's not working properly when it's powered on and it's just not functioning properly, turn it off and turn it back on again. Give it a try, simply because that might solve the problem. It's like almost like just like a restart. Turn it off, turn it back on again, and that might solve the problem. Hopefully that little mini restart solves it and gets your camera working properly once again. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this sort of video explanation / tutorial, and I've got nothing else to say. So we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.